Good afternoon, students. Okay. In previous class, I have discussed now properties of definite integral. Yes, all of you remember the property. Can you say 0 to pi by 2 sin x by sin x plus cos x dx? What is the value? Yes, pi by 4. Yes, good. Pi by 4. And formula 0 to a, suppose f x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, a minus x dx. Now, few sums I am showing today. Suppose and see 0 to pi by 2 a sin square x plus b cos square x dx with the help of property. Okay, first to write, let I equal to this writing. See, then 0 to pi by 2 a sin square pi by 2 minus x plus b cos square pi by 2 minus x of dx. Okay, so 0 to pi by 2 a, we can sin 90 minus theta cos theta. Okay, it will be cos square x plus b sin square x dx. So you can write total I, this also I. Okay, now I plus I, write 2I equal to, so you can write 0 to pi by 2, see a cos square x plus a sin square x equal to be a, because sin square cos square 1, so write a, here also b whole dx, so write a plus b of pi by 2. Okay, so I equal to a plus b pi by 4. I equal to a plus b into pi by 4. Okay. Okay. Now right. The next one. Next one. Next sum. Suppose write 0 to pi by 2 log 10x dx. Okay, 0 to pi by 2 log 10x dx. So write similar, write this I equal to this, you can write. So 0 to pi by 2 log 10 pi by 2 minus x dx, you can write. So write 0 to pi by 2 log, so 10 90 minus 3 cot theta, so write cot x dx. So here you can write minus into 0 to pi by 2 log 10x, you can write. Cot means 1 by 10, so log 1 minus log 10x, log 1 will be 0, so minus log 10x, so you can write, so this will be minus I, look at here, both are same, so I, you take, that is 2I equal to 0, that is I equal to 0, so this value will be 0. Okay, short type question, 2 marks, keep in mind. Okay. Okay, now say suppose 0 to 1 log 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. This is very important sum. Okay, this is very important sum. 0 to 1 log 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, so write let x equal to tan theta. So write dx equal to sec square theta d theta. Okay, dx equal to sec square theta d theta. So limit change. See x equal to 0, then theta also 0. X equal to 1, theta pi by 4. Okay, if put x equal to 1 here. So tan theta 1 means theta 45 degree, that is pi by 4. So the limit will change. So this part will be 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta into 1 plus tan square theta, and the dx sec square theta d theta. So right. So sec square theta into d theta. See 1 plus tan square theta means sec square, this is cancel, this to cancel. So it will be 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Just to write here, some of this constant, this is I. Okay, so you can write. So I equal to this part. So write 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus theta, okay, of d theta. 0 to log pi by log 1 plus tan pi 4 minus theta. Okay, so write 0 to pi by 4 log, so this particular 1 plus tan a minus formula, all of you know, tan a minus tan b, this is tan pi for 1. So you can write 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta, okay, of d theta. So write 0 to pi by 4, this will be simplified, tan cancel, so it will be 1 2 by 1 plus tan theta of d theta, right. 0 to pi by 4 log 2 by 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Okay, now log a by b, that is log a minus log b. Okay, see so the I is given, so you can write here I equal to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus log 1 plus tan theta d theta. Okay, d theta. So this part is I. So I log 2 constant take outside, 0 to pi, this is pi 4 minus I. Okay, so 2I equal to pi by 8 log 2, sorry, pi by 4 log 2. Okay, so I equal to pi by 8 into log 2. This is the answer. So this sum I equal to pi by 8 log 2. Okay, also remember, very important sum is there. Okay, this is very important sum. Suppose, see, right, evaluate 1 to 2 root x by root 3 minus 6 plus root x dx. Okay, so all of this formula, no, root, that integration a to b f of x dx equal to, we can write here, that is f of a plus b minus x dx, no, integration a to b. So this sum, this type of sum is there. So you have to write here. So this is I. This is I. You can write 1 to 2. X is sum of these two limit 1 minus x. Here also 3 minus 2 plus 1 minus x. Okay. Plus here also 2 plus 1 minus 6. Okay, dx. So right, 1 to 2, 3 minus 6 by 3 minus 3 plus x plus here 3 minus x dx. Okay. Now suppose the constant, this is I, suppose, right, this is I. Now I plus I, 2i. So right, 2i equal to 1 to 2 root x by 3 minus x plus root x plus root 3 minus x by root x plus 3 minus x dx. Okay. So right here 1 to 2, this means 1 root x plus 3 minus x by 3 minus x plus root x dx. Okay. Okay. So it will be 1, cancel now. So right, the value will be 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. See. So 2i equal to 1 to 2 dx only. So this will be 2 minus 1, that is 1. Not understood. Why? So increase given x to x 1 to 2. Okay, yes. So I equal to half. Keep in mind. The answer is half. Okay. Now next one is also very important sum. Okay. 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. Very important sum. Okay. 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx. So similar, right? This suppose I. Similarly, properties of definite integral we can write here. So 0 to pi by 2 log sin pi by 2 minus x dx. Okay. So 0 to pi by 2 log cos x dx. Sin 90 means cos theta. Suppose constant, this is I. So right, 2i equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x plus log cos x dx we can write. Okay. Now 0 to pi by 2, so this part will be log sin x into cos x dx. So right, 0 to pi by 2 log, we can write sin 2x. So sin 2x by 2. Okay, see, sin x cos x by 2, that is 2 sin x cos x by 2. 2 to cancel, so sin x cos x. Okay. Now, this part you can write here. 0 to pi by 2 log half plus log of sin 2x you can write now, see. Or log sin 2x minus log 2, any you write, no problem either. Okay. So log half plus log sin 2x you can write, or you have write log sin 2x minus log 2. Similar things are there. Okay. Now say, so this part, say, so 2i is there. So 0 to pi by 2 log half dx plus 0 to pi by 2 log sine 2x dx. Okay. So log constant is there. So and this will be pi by 2 log half. Okay. Plus suppose this is I1, consider this part. You have to consider this is I1, suppose consider. Okay. Similar things. Look at here. You have to consider, say, so I1, so 0 to pi by 2 log sine 2x dx. Okay. Now let 2x, that part, 2x equal to constant t. So you can write 2 dx equal to dt. Then x equal to 0 implies t equal to 0. X equal to pi by 2, t equal to pi. Okay. So I1 we can write 0 to pi log, yes, sine 2t and half dt, half you take on outside dt. Now this for half 0 pi we can write 2 into pi by 2, so 2 to cancel them. We can write now log sine t dt. So here half, this is from that side, 2 we can write, 0 to pi by 2 is there, log sine t dt. Okay, write that property of definite integral. Okay, these two half into 2 here. So log sine t dt, that is, if we put pi, then sine pi minus theta, sine theta, no, that's right. So here, this part look at here, and original part whatever given in the sum, so this part you can pi by 2 log sine x ds you can write. Similar is that. Okay, so 2 to cancel, so 0 to pi by 2 log sine x ds you can write. That is, we know the property 0 to, suppose a to b fx dx equal to a to b xz dz. Okay, say, so this also I. See, so 2I equal to pi by 2 log half plus I1 is there. So I1 equal to I. So you have to write here I1. So 2I equal to pi by 2 log half plus I. That's how you take. So I equal to pi by 2 log half. This is the answer. So here 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx equal to pi by 2 log half. This is the answer. Okay, remember this, very important sign here. Okay, now just to copy first. Okay, say next one. Next one, right? Suppose 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus cos square x. Find the value. just you put similar way. So 0 to pi, let I equal to this part, pi minus x sin pi minus x by 1 plus cos square pi minus x dx. Okay, now 0 to pi minus x sin pi minus theta, tell? Yes, so sin x by 1 plus, this will be cos square x, no change. Square is there, always positive, okay? Now 0 to pi sin x minus x sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. So right, 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx minus ci, x sin x with the same part is there. So x sin x by 1 plus cos square x 0 to pi, okay? Same sum is there, okay? So now we take that is I. So we can write 2I equal to say right 2I equal to 0 to pi 2I equal to 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. So take this pi outside, take 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Now take cos x equal to z, right? Cos x equal to z. So minus here the minus sin x dx equal to dz. So dz by 1 plus z square, okay? Now when x equal to 0, cos 0 1, okay? And x equal to pi, cos pi minus 1, right? Now this will be interchange, okay? Because minus sign is there. So we can write here minus 1 to plus 1 dz by 1 plus z square. This function, see, this is even function, okay? So you can write even function 2 into 0 to 1 dz by 1 plus z square, okay? So write 2 into tan inverse z 0 to 1. So write 2 tan inverse 1 0 0, that is 2 into pi by 2, okay? 2 into pi by 2. Achha, one pi is there, okay, sorry, pi is there, okay? This is mistake is there, okay? 2 pi, that is pi square, okay? Here 2 pi tan inverse 1, so tan inverse 1 all pi by 4, sorry, this is pi by 4, okay? So 2 into pi square by 2, so this is 2I equal to this, 2 to cancel, so I equal to, so 2I, this is to cancel, so I equal to pi square by 4. So this is the answer. The sum answer is, okay, here pi square by 4, okay, pi square by 4. Suppose, see that, suppose minus 1 to plus 1 mod x dx, okay? So we write minus 1 to plus 0, this is minus x dx according to definition, plus 0 to 1 x dx. Like that, just you put the integration, you will get the result, okay? Just you put the value. Okay, so simple sum is there. Again, see, suppose 0 to pi by 2, suppose cos square theta by sin theta plus cos theta d theta. Okay, so right, this is I. So 0 to pi by 2, so cos square pi by 2 minus theta by, here sin theta cos theta, right, sin pi by 2 minus theta plus cos pi by 2 minus theta d theta. So right, 0 to pi by 2, this is sin theta by, sorry, the square is there, so sin square theta by cos theta plus sin theta d theta. Okay, now this is I suppose. Now 2I, you can write, see, 2I equal to 0 to pi by 2, here cos square theta plus sin square theta by sin theta cos theta, you can write, of d theta. Sin square cos square 1. Okay, all of you know. So 0 to pi by 2 d theta by sin theta cos theta. Okay, so this part is 2I equal to 0 to pi by 2 d theta by, okay, sin theta plus cos theta. So right, integration all of you know pi by 2. So d theta we can write root 2 into 1 by root 2 sin theta plus 1 by root 2 cos theta. So 1 by root take outside, 0 to pi by 2 d theta by, okay, by sin theta plus pi by 4. So 1 by root 2, 0 to pi by 2 cosec theta plus pi by 4 d theta. Now 1 by root 2, 0 to pi by 2 cosec means formula is log, just a minute here, log cosec theta plus pi by 4 minus tan theta plus, sorry, cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay, cosec theta minus cot theta plus pi by 4. Okay, here 0 to pi by 2, 1 by root 2 log cosec theta plus pi 4 minus cot theta. Okay, so integration cosec theta minus cot theta, that is cosec theta d theta, equal to log cosec theta minus cot theta. Okay, this is 2I is there now. Yes, 2I. So 1 by root 2, if you put pi by 2, so cosec pi by 2 plus pi by 4. Okay, the 90 plus theta you put here, this is sec pi, the value of sec pi 4 root 2. Okay, that is log root 2. Here also pi by 2 plus theta, pi by 4 is there, that is plus 1. Okay, 0 you put, root 2 here minus, so will be here log root 2 minus 1. So 1 by root 2 can write log of root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. Okay, so 1 by root 2 log root 2 plus 1 whole square, you take that side. So here I. So I equal to 1 by, that is 2, right? That's a 2, 1 by root 2, these two cancel, both are cancel, root 2 plus 1. This is the answer. 1 by root 2 log root 2 plus 1. Okay? All of you remember this formula. Okay. Bye. Okay, bye. Again, next I will discuss another chapter. Okay? Now, few important sums are there. That is how to find, that is summation formula I will discuss. Okay? According to summation, how to find the limiting value of the function. Okay? Okay, bye.